Hello guys. Shut up. Alright, this guy's so annoying. Anyway, so we're gonna be launching the server. This is my first video of Minecraft modding 9 on YouTube. And we're gonna be launching a server. Next it might shut down because I'm gonna be upgrading to a bucket server. It's just that Minecraft server is for mods and stuff. So yeah, some servers may be shut down. I will talk about that in a video if they get shut down. But anyway, so if you're good with redstone and building and stuff, please take a look at the server. And you have to have a Hamachi account, cause I'm gonna give you the ID, how do I say this? The network ID and the password for the server. So yeah, and my helper is Little Rocker from another channel. He's stupid. All right. Okay. Sorry. All right. But. So we're going to be launching a new video. Just wanted to inform you, this server is going to be work in progress. So, but if you're good with redstone, please join the server. The server is called FreebuildForfree, just because well, it's for free since it's a non-premium server. So yeah. It's a free built server, Ali. They can't grieve the castle. They're not admins, and it's made of bedrocks. Alright, I'll just go give him a tour. So we spend overnight doing this, actually building this, and so yeah. Now I'll just go up and up and up and up. Now here's some villagers. Here's all the torches we put. This is like 60. Yeah, it's 60 by 60 blocks. I hope your game doesn't lag from generating. First time I put the server up, it lagged pretty much. And yeah, so I guess that's it. And if you're a good builder, you have good creativity, or good with redstone, please take a look at the server. The network ID and password will be there, and the IP for the server. And we'll do a lot of mod reviews. So yeah, next will be a Herobrine's Mansion map, and that's what we're going to be playing. And then in the future we'll be uploading videos for servers. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye. Heck.